Hello everyone, I am alone and today I am going to Ocean Marina. I have been there before and filmed the video about my voyage. My video about last journey you can see on my channel. Today I want to see this place bird eyes and walk around. Ocean Marina is not only a private berth for boats and closed non-touristic zone, but also a yacht club too. There are a lot of yachts stay here, always ready to sailing. There are a few expensive vessels here. I guess some of them belong to Russian mafiosi. But more interesting place here is Ocean Marina Yacht Club. Ocean Marina Yacht Club exists very long time. It was established in 1995 for sailing and yachting. There in Siam Gulf is some of the best sailing conditions, such as optimal winds, amazing islands, crystal clear waters and sunny shiny weather full year around. Ocean Marina Yacht Club offers to its visitors the activities such as day trip around the islands, a snorkeling and diving trip, or cruising around the waters with a party voyage. There is a hotel for visitors, but now the hotel is closed for renovation. It will be open in 2022. Marina Ocean is situated on Na Chomtien beach. Na Chomtien is next district after Chomtien in vicinity of Pattaya. Now I will tell you how can I get there and put the link in description. In order to get to Ocean Marina, you need to go along Sukhumvit towards Pattaya to the south. To do this, we go by the Sukhumvit highway to the south until the Ocean Marina. You will see it on the opposite side of the direction of movement. After the Ocean Marina, you need to look for an U-turn. Now Sukhumvit Road under reconstruction, so we'll have to go far till the closest U-turn. I made U-turn near my daughter's old school. Video about this school I have filmed for my channel before. If you live in Pattaya and have some children here, I recommend it to watch it. After you turn, you have to go to Ocean Marina again and turn left then. And information about Ocean Marina Yacht Club was gotten from its official site. Thanks for watching. Like my video if it was interesting. Subscribe to my channel. We live in Thailand. We speak Thai. There will be many more interesting things about Thailand. I thank Mike Dammann for the music for this video and my channel. Bye guys.